In Drupal 8, there was a new section added to the module listings page called Core Experimental. This includes modules that might have known bugs or that don't have a finalized API, and so they may still be in flux as new releases of Drupal 8 come out. Once they become stable, they'll move into another section of the modules listings here. But this is just to indicate that if you enable them and use them, you may run into some problems. The Inline Form Errors module will display errors next to the inputs that are causing the errors when the form is submitted. Now earlier, we saw how when we submitted a piece of content and it didn't have a title, we saw a little tooltip appear below the input that said, hey, we need to add a title. That functionality is built into Drupal core, but when a form is submitted and more rigorous testing is done on the value of the inputs on the server side, then the errors that would display upon the page refresh would then appear in line with the fields.